Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Vim configuration where roaming behavior is set. Make a quick backup first so you can revert. Once done, open // vimrc with Roman 6 and locate any lines that enable roaming-like behavior. That is typically options or plugin calls. You will edit those lines directly. While in insert mode, make focus small changes rather than sweeping deletes so you can test as you go. Next, remove or comment configuration and plugin invocations that cause roaming. For example, prefix plugin lines with a double quote to comment them out, and add explicit options like set no wrap to stop automatic line flow. Make incremental saves and then restart Vim to test. This verifies whether roaming stops. If a plugin is responsible, you can also move its files out of // Vim/pack or plugin folder to isolate it. Repeat testing after each change. Finish by cleaning leftover references and confirming behavior across files. If something still roams, run vim unone to start without your config. If roaming stops, the issue is in your config or plugins. Once identified, either remove that plugin or refine the single offending line. Make sure to restart any terminal sessions that cache settings. If needed, restore the backup and apply changes one at a time until you find the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.